Pas moi à faire. D'abord moi ou fin craser ou non vinn moi à faire moun. Pas faire bail comme ça. Pas jamais vinn là encore après ça.
Are you talking to KK?
I'm talking to both of y'all. Shit, man.
On va faire un prank sur Kiki avec Joadne. On va aller aussi yo qui casse. Bagay ça. OK, Noël. On va mettre comme ça, après on va dire mettre zoye en lait. On propose votre crasel et puis tu pas de crasel, moi ça fait. OK? Mais quoi? Anyways, à nous suivre. Bonsoir tout le monde. Bonsoir. Si nous parlons bas, bébé a dormi là, nous va le lever. So, Kiki va le faire make-up. Kiki va le faire make-up. Ok? So, on va commencer.
Ok. Nous avons un boche.
Nous avons un boche là.
Nous avons un powder.
Passez bon ici. Nous avons un poudre là. You know what? I'm gonna let you talk. Yeah, okay. This all game, you. Okay.
I tried to all the English or Creole.
Oh, Creole.
I can't. I don't know how to say this.
Okay. If you're not then work off, you can't do my makeup. You have to be able to see it.
Okay. This is your foundation. So
Is
make it.
Wi-Fi okay?
Shh. We're recording already.
Make it on brush là. Make it in poudre. So ma mettre sur figil. Wow, this goes really good with your skin.
On va te parler.
This goes really good with your skin.
Okay, merci. Dis-moi Creole, parce que je comment je te dis.
I don't know how to say that in English.
Try.
Ça goes. I don't know how to say goes.
Qui ça?
Ça allait avec.
Bon, avec figure.
Ça le dit, ça allait avec figure. She said it right.
Yeah. Je vais rester là.
Qui ça?
I
Parlez
don't know how
fort,
to say it.
m'attendez.
I don't know how to say it.
Qui ça te dit? M'attendez. Dis encore. Je vais vous
Je
dire
vais rester là.
Ok.
Côté moi.
Faut dire mon qui sont mettre là. On va dire mon.
Poudre. Vous mettez poudre.
Qui va mettre poudre là?
Sous figil.
Tapi pun nasi lim nanti saya sama. Oke, udah fini.
So mettez un crayon sur la base.
Sous eyebrow moi. Eyebrow c'est anglais. Ou parler bon ici pour mon yo katade. Avancer là pour ka word. Parlez non. Try. Essaye. Souci.
Souci. On va mettre un crayon sur sourcil.
Ça va faire?
On va mettre un crayon sur sourcil.
Ok. La mettre crayon. La mettre en crayon sur chaussée. Entendez. On finit?
I'm gonna do this. Mettez un concealer.
Ou mais try, essaye.
Essaie, mettre concealer, essaie joli.
La mettre concealer en bas gym. Et ça.
Yes, en bas.
Qui va mettre de côté?
Là.
Ok, en bas gym. On a.
Balik po, bukan sama makan. Bisa gue garap di sini. Ini nambah di sini.
Ok.
Okay, make it on wash up pour blender. Budget.
Oh oui.
I forgot.
Concealer.
Wet and Wild.
Wet and Wild.
Wet and Wild.
On va connaître le café, le con qui s'en fait. Il fait mal ou blanc. Do it ginger. Ou fait le doigt dit mes amis. On va péter j'aime.
Mes amis, on va péter j'aime.
Okay.
So, Jadne a fait un bon qui a fait moi qui on a fait le bien.
That's why. You put the same.
You have the job, yeah? Why you go for? Let him do what he gotta do. You do what you gotta do now. I could have body encore. Oh, what are you working on? Yeah, I'm working on it.
Ok, moi changer bois parce que nous pas bien paraître et puis tout les autres ne pas paraître, quelqu'un pas paraître so mais ça quelqu'un t'a fait mais ça je vais faire. Pour moi ça capte bien. OK. Go ahead.
Okay. So ma plate concealer.
Oui, Jean quelqu'un a dit la ça la plus ou bien pour dire qui sort plus tout en créole. So pas qu'à dire en créole ou dire en anglais. Allez.
Ma mettre concealer.
Pinceau.
Ma mettre en concealer. En bas
sourcil.
En bas sourcil.
Okay.
I'm using the crayon for her eyebrows.
Créole.
I'm using crayon pour eyebrows.
Pour sourcil.
Pour sourcil.
OK.
Wait. Oh.
Mais ça me push. On ça tout aime.
I don't know how to do this. Mais besoin pour camper, pour me taper ça.
Oui.
I don't know. I don't know why.
Rings.
Rings. Mais j'ai un rinse là. Ma fait en so bomb.
Sorry.
Ma fait ça. Ma fait de ça. I can do both.
Fais vite quelqu'un.
Ma fait de ça pour un galaxy kind of look.
Sorry.
Now, Chrisley.
J'aime bien.
Okay. I gotta blend it.
Ow.
Sorry, I'm trying to.
Ou fait le trop fort, Jeanne. You gotta do it soft.
Je vais utiliser ça.
Yes.
That's what mine's like.
You know what? Let me give you a close look. Food, Kiki.
Mine look cute. Look how you look at BJ.
Ok, mes amis. Mes make-up Jadne.
My makeup Kiki.
Mes make-up Kiki.
She look like trash. She look like somebody she did. She
She's
just got
whining.
dumped.
Okay, what you say her makeup look like mine? I didn't say that. Oh, come on, cute. I said her makeup look like her dishes drunk. And then she does the real life. Okay, mais
Fa ou bien gloss Kiki. M'semble mon yo so bat nager.
Oh my god. My face so cute.
I wasn't even finished. I wanted to do mascara, but I'm not finished. But
Oh, fuck me zoye mi wate. Kiki, retire zoye met en lemon, please.
this one's soft.
Team join in.
Ok, so, me sa Kiki. Oh, sak met bay mwen wate Kiki. Kiki, apo kazi bay mwen.
I didn't do that.
No, she ain't
Kon
break
be
it.
mwen.
She ain't break
Ebe
it.
ou menm ki kazi
No,
Jadne.
I ain't break it either. I wasn't even on that side.
E ou menm ki te nan bossa. Kadi sa Jadne fe bay mwen pou men met foto
No,
la den.
I didn't do that. I didn't do that. I swear to God, I didn't do that. I didn't step on it.
Yes.
I would have felt my feet step on it. And
E ou kazi.
BJ,
Bay
I was
m'achete bien chet.
BJ, oh my God,
Bon mwen lot
BJ,
la.
I didn't
What the
do
heck?
that. BJ,
Why would you do that, man?
I didn't do that. I
Yeah,
swear
pourquoi
I
ils sont
didn't.
fait ça?
BJ, oh my God,
Kadi.
I didn't do that.
Kadi koman yo kazi bagay mwen?
BJ, I didn't
God
do
We
that.
didn't do that.
We did not do that.
Ki
I swear I
fe
didn't do
sa?
that.
Gade.
BJ, why was the pillows on the floor?
Di do
then?
la mache ba la
Why
Jadne.
were the pillows on the
Wa bon
floor?
kom lon?
BJ, why was the pillows on the floor then?
Tout pedo ete nan floor.
But I didn't do that. Okay, why was the pillow on top of there?
Yo tout te nan floor. Kom fe konen?
But I didn't do that.
Yeah, we didn't touch.
I didn't do
we
that. I
didn't
ain't touch that. I know
we
I ain't
didn't
touch
touch
it.
no pictures.
I know I ain't touch it. I didn't sit on it and I didn't do nothing.
Ou pigwe, ou kazi.
No, I did it. I swear to God, I did
Pou
it.
sa fe sa?
Bro, I
Mbada
swear
pou
to
jem
God.
fò sa
Oh
nan.
my God, BJ, I swear to God, on my head, I didn't do
Ou
that.
mute sou li, ou te mute sou
I
kamera
swear,
tout
I
bagay.
swear to God, I swear to God, on my head, I didn't
I
do
wasn't
none of
even
that.
over here
I swear to God,
I just killed guys. I didn't even see nothing under the pillows. I thought the pillow was just blank under nothing, and then I just walked past. I just sat down and just sat down here, and then I was waiting. For real, on Puffy's grave, we didn't do that.
Well, I know I ain't do it. But I know about her. But I know I ain't do it.
Well, c'est pas où faire les quelqu'un fait.
Because I ain't walk over there.
Do it.
Why would you do that? Do you see my picture in here?
Hell no. I didn't do that. I swear, bitch, I ain't do
Madame,
that.
je me fais ça, non, mais yo crasé pas. $10 marché ça, je me $10. Ou bon comme là.
Bitch, I ain't do that.
Ou bon comme là, man.
Hell no, I ain't about to give you money that I ain't. Sorry, I'm about to give you money that I didn't break.
Et ou crasé,
bitch, I swear. Maybe KK did it, but BJ, tell me when I got out of the room, nothing fell.
KK,
I wasn't barely in the room.
KK, ou te monté dans les ou passé là, ou monté, ou surtout cabinet passé là, ou fait là.
I barely was. I wasn't even in the room.
When I got off the bed, I wasn't even.
I stood right there. KK. Gwe seti moun to kou tam gen la pou avin krasé bon mwen.
I didn't even see.
So at the end of the video, I swear to God on me, I did it. BJ,
Pou so fèm ça?
I swear,
I think I one of this, bro.
Oh my God, BJ, I'm laughing because it wasn't me.
You laughing because you.
No, I'm laughing because you look so serious.
What you mean I look so serious?
You like trying to prank me or something. That's what you look like. I swear to God, that's what you look like.
Do I look like I'm talking to you?
No, but
BJ.
But I swear to God, BJ.
Look at the other one.
BJ.
Look at that
side. I wasn't struggling on this side, BJ.
And
I didn't knock it down. BJ, this was
struggle. Get where? Kick it to where are we?
I didn't even break it. I didn't even see that on the floor.
It was taken, or I don't know if it was me, but I swear.
I don't know. Just don't.
Qu'est-ce qui casse par moi? Qu'est-ce qui casse par moi, Jodner? Qu'est-ce qui casse par moi? Qu'est-ce qui casse? Hein? M'a même tout faux, I've been proposed of anglais.
Okay, but BJ, listen. It wasn't me, I swear.
But
if you want,
I have to cut all of this.
If you want me to give you $10, I'll give you $10.
Yeah, because you break it. You give me $10.
But I didn't break you. I didn't break it. I got you.
Ou crasel ou bon $10. Pas moi a fait. D'abord moi, ou fait crasel à moun ou non vinn moi a fait moun.
I didn't even break.
Pas fait bail comme ça.
But I.
Pas jamais vinn là encore après ça.
Are you talking to KK?
I'm talking to both of y'all. No, you cannot come here no more because I'm mad. I'm dead serious, bro.
BJ, I didn't break it. I swear. Okay, say you put on your mama life, you ain't break it.
Her mom is not dead, so why would I? If she put
on, if her mama could die, she could say that.
Maman pas mourir, si maman mourir, il va mettre dans la vie. Maman pour ça il pour mais dans la vie ou craser.
I already told you.
Put it on his death, KK.
I didn't even do nothing.
You know what? That's it, right there. I'm not gonna go get you no more.
I didn't do it. KK said she didn't even do nothing. I swear to God.
You say you.
I swear to God. And I said I put on Puffy's grave. I didn't break it.
KK, you break
if I broke it, BJ, if I broke it, then
I didn't even touch
if I broke it, maybe I read it. I didn't break it.
KK, you break
if I broke it, BJ, if I broke it, then
I didn't even touch
if I broke it, maybe I.
If you don't break it, why your eyes is red?
But BJ, if I
you look like you're about crying. That's when you break it.
No, because she hate when people blame stuff on her.
So you do it, then why you laughing?
No, I ain't blame nothing on KK. I said I know I ain't do it, so ask her. That's what I said.
Then why you laughing if you didn't do it?
BJ, could you make your face look so funny right now? I swear to God, BJ, if I was like this.
Yeah, because KK fucked my face up, but that's not funny. You break my thing.
But BJ, I swear.
Man,
I swear.
Mbabalde nou la kay nou encore. Mbabalde nou la kay nou encore. Mbabalde nou la kay. Ou met keme $10. Mbabalde ou la kay. Sel jour sel mbabalde. Okay.
I don't break your stuff.
Okay, BJ, my problem my problem with that parce que ou craser pas photo. Okay, that's okay. Okay, ou même dim say ou craser ça ou sorry. What's so funny?
No, because I laugh at stuff because like you say like you don't come get me no more. I'm laughing because I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
Like I want.
No, I'm laughing because
I'm not.
I'm laughing because if I know I ain't doing.
Why are you crying?
Because she don't like when people blame stuff on her.
Come here, KK. I'm sorry. But eu crazy. You break it because you don't laughing. Fucking mad, man.
And listen, I laugh at stuff, but I know why I ain't do it.
Did you break it?
No. I didn't even
KK, did I hit it? KK, you was watching. I swear to God, bro. I swear to God.
Wapom $10, ouais? Mais même lever pas qu'à lever la jeune. Mais comme là, plus tax. Bon $15 bon, c'est pas ça pas du mal de la ka encore. Pour ça chaque nous doit avoir de la ka ou abri. Fait grand. Ou craser des bagages moi. Ou parti bébé aussi boire du soir ou craser bail moi.
But I swear.
Comment le tirer tout bail ça yo? Kounya pour aller dire tout ça?
KK, did I break it?
KK, come here.
And listen, as soon as I put the thing down, I was recording myself. I got up and went out there. I was the thing down. I was recording myself. I got up and went out there. I wasn't in here for a minute.
You got crazy, Jordan. Comment faire crazy?
I did not put that.
Comment faire crazy?
I didn't do that.
Comment faire comme ça?
No.
Comment faire crazy?
I swear I didn't do that. I swear. I don't even say. I don't even. Ask Yolanda. I don't say.
No, I didn't touch anything.
Ask Yolanda. When I say I swear, that means I mean it. When I say I swear, that means I mean it. No, when I say no, I'm not giving you no money.
Where
some dollar? You mean you got it?
No, I didn't. I went down here and I was like here. I didn't even.
I guess you gotta take me home then.
But me no ale, relem guy ouvin de om, but me no ken ko. Ouais, on fait me blesser ouais. I'm scratch la don tout bagay.
No, cause you being extra.
Comment being extra?
It wasn't
Ou ba
me.
extra pour grand monde? Comment extra?
Cause I'm laughing at you.
Comment me fait extra?
But listen,
Ba extra.
First off, little girl, don't yell at me.
Qui est sorti little girl? You think I'm playing with you?
Okay.
Huh? You think I'm playing with you? You vin la kay wa you vin crazy.
Okay. You broke it? Tell me if you broke it or not.
I didn't.
Okay. That's all that matters. If you told me you did it and I said I did it, that's all that matters.
Excuse you? Shit. Why
is she hitting me?
KK, I'm not gonna hit KK because I know KK didn't do it. You did.
I swear, guys, I didn't break it. I didn't break it. And then when I say I swear, that means I mean it. That means if I say I swear on somebody's grave, I mean it.
She's so down.
And listen, BJ, if I broke it, this would have broke too. But break though.
Anyways, y'all, it's a prank. I was just playing with it.
I knew it was a prank.
I know, but you didn't get mad, stupid. You can't cry. You okay, KK?
I knew it was a prank. I know, but you didn't get mad, stupid. You can't cry. You okay, KK?
Oh my
Come
God.
here.
I knew it was a
Come here,
prank.
KK.
But
you do go back to your top. I got this from the trash. Then you're at work.
I'll say, BJ,
that's what Benji broke it.
I'm dead.
You okay, KK?
I was laughing like, dang.
KK. Give me a hug. Là, nous t'as pris chercher, on t'es content, qu'on y a pris. Oh, je ne trouve. Qu'on y a pris, qu'on y a là fâché.
I was looking like, oh my God.
KK crié. KK a forcé crier, pas qu'à crier.
That's why I started laughing. I thought it was funny. But you was so serious, so I was like, it's just a prank on it. My really like BJ.
I was trying to be serious, but I was like. Anyways, y'all, I'm fait quelqu'un crier, je ne. Man qui ça, par qui ça me pour me mettre dans bouche, je ne veux pas stop crier. Et oui seulement la pour. Comment below. Qui peut nous même faire sous monde, n'importe monde, it don't matter. You okay, KK? Ou pas ça KK fait figure? Grimace fait de figure dans pour pas d'apprendre, KK. Bye, y'all.